Welcome back to Bad Attitude C10. Today I was going to share with y'all some 7-inch LED headlights that I bought to use as upgrades on the truck. Now, I know they always say you kind of get what you pay for, and I got these off eBay, and I think it was like $31.70 for the pair. So I really don't know what to expect, but some of the, I guess you could say, information on them you can see in these pictures. And I'm going to go ahead and mock them up on a bench and show you what they look like. So here we go. So my first impression was at least they came in a box that had a picture and a description, and the packing on the inside of them looked to be, fairly good too. So I'm going to go ahead and remove one from the box and we're going to hook it up. So as you can see, it matches the description on the box and what the ad had on eBay. So we're off to a good start. Now it shows it has a vent on the back, and it does have a 3-prong pigtail and an adapter plug for your factory harness, and then it's got 2 little connectors for the daylight running light and the turn signal, which I don't really know what to think about that, but I want y'all's input. So we're going to go ahead and power this up real quick and take a look at what we got. So I chose to do this upgrade to give the truck a little modern flair, and I think the blue daytime running lights is kind of cool, and the amber ring is cool as well. So do you think the turn signal should be the ones that are on this headlight? And I was making it flash with the wire. Now the low beam lights on here with the regular light on above it, you can actually see that it's the 2 side lights, one on top, and the one on the bottom is not really illuminated until you turn the high beams on. Now, I'm going to go ahead and turn the light off and let you see what they look like in the dark. And again, let me know what y'all think about the blue halo and if I should use the amber turn signal or not. Well, I can tell you one thing, that is super bright, and that is on low beam. It just kind of blurred with the camera. And when the high beam came on, it kind of did the same. So I guess I'm just a little too close with the camera. So we'll look at that again in the future. But as for now, I'll catch you next time.